So what you have seen till now is how we can execute external Python files. Now the interesting thing that Colab gives is it supports rich outputs such as charts. So it is very helpful when you plot Python charts into Google Colab. Yeah. So for an example, I have this code import numpy as np. Uh, Again, guys, let me reiterate, you do not need to worry about the code that I am writing. What we are trying to reiterate is that Google Colab supports graphical outputs. That is what we are trying to understand. So this is a code to plot a graph dot random dot random. I'm just writing a random code which will give me a graph, and I can show you how it looks like. What uh, x comma y comma, I just give the identifier, like how it is supposed to plot it. Plt dot fill between x comma y comma 200, and just trying to fill the gaps. Right? I will give it a color with green. 0.6 random number, and let's plot a graph now. We'll give it a title. Nice title, like sample plot. Yeah. And I'll say plt dot show. Let me see if my code is okay everywhere. Yes. So I'll run it, and you'll find now once I run this code, you'll find that the graphical output is shown in the output window here at the down, just below your code. So what I've done, I've imported some of the libraries required for plotting the graph. I have been given some random values for y and x, and I have used those values to plot it. Okay, there is an error. Let me see. No. Okay, got an expected error. Face color. Okay, I gave an incorrect spelling here. Okay. Face color equals green. Okay, now it is done. Now we'll not get an error. Yeah, we got the title, sample plot. We got this graph. Yeah. So this is what we wanted to show. Like the graphical output is shown in the output section of this code cell, which is here. Likewise, you will be able to create and display several types of charts throughout your program code. So there are libraries like Cbond, Matplotlib. You can use PyPlot, which is one of the library default library of Python, to plot various type of graphs. Yeah. Now, as you got familiar with basics of Colab, now this is what we had the basics of that. Let's move on to the features in Colab that makes your Python code development easier.